Okay, now, Mr. Yeoman, again, I have before me state trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are two boxes that's checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you are giving up your right to an appeal. In this case, do you understand that statement? Do we have a discovery certification? Okay, now, Mr. Yeoman, I have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Mr. Yeoman, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Cole, go over these documents with you? And did you read and understand everything that he went over?
Yeah.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Yeah. Mr. Yeoman, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yeah.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr.
No
Cole?
objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Mr. Yeoman. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? Mr. Yeoman, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Yeoman, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is that agreement?
That agreement is to the state's offer of 30 days jail with 30 days credit. It is a time served plea, and the court also in this case will be taxed and retired.
Okay, Mr. Yeoman, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court cost in this case is $337, but you will not be required to pay the $337 court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired. Mr. Yeoman, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Yeoman, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Yeoman, if you don't have anything else holding you in on this case, you should be getting out. If you don't have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. Mr. Yeoman, please stand next to your attorney and follow the directions of our clerk. Once you finish following her directions, you can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you
All
are.
right, thank you, Judge.
Okay, and thank you, Mr. Cole.
I'll be
You have a
excused.
blessed day. You may be excused. And yes.